How to log into your UWA student account. Hello students of University of Western Australia, UWA. Ready to access your student account online? Then you are in a good luck. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to log into your UWA student account hassle-free. So let's dive into it. Open your web browser and search for UWA Student Login. Locate and click on the link that directs you to the UWA Student Connect portal. On the login page, you can enter your username in the designated field. Your username may be provided by the university and is typically associated with your student ID or email address. After you enter your username, click on the next or similar button to proceed. You may be redirected to the Microsoft 365 login page for authentication. This is a common procedure for accessing university student accounts. On the Microsoft 365 account login page, you can enter your university email address and password associated with your account. Double check on your entries to ensure accuracy and click on the sign in or login button to proceed. If the credentials you provided are accurate, then you'll be successfully logged into your UWA student account. And this was everything you needed to know about logging into your UWA student account. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.